Hi guys, it's Monday and I'm gonna vlog all day today. I did sleep, I did really tired, and I know Nsydija go to school and I edit the vlog. And the vlog don't go up today because I did really tired. Yes, so I wait on Nsydija and Alex to get here so we can start working out. Almost time. I think I gotta need more days. Oh, it's Nsydija here too. Sorry. I just did a chat too. Hey guys. Just done workout. What are Jamaica juice? Say something no?
Say something. Make your spit catch me. Oh.
I go home go cook.
I'm not prepared for wait 2 hours for you to cook food.
You're lucky. Guys, I'm gonna cook stew beef and pumpkin rice. And you know beef take a while. I need to go ahead and eat him, you know. Hi people. So it's Wednesday, we never vlog yesterday. I go driving lessons and workouts. I wait for my cab actually. See me right here. I'm kinda late. So I'll see you guys in a bit. So hi guys, just finished driving lessons. Where am I? They have guinea hen weed in my bag. Yeah, I'm at JAA, that's where I do my driving lessons. But there I wait for my cab still, so I can go workouts. I don't know why I feel like this today, like I feel really sick and kind of out of it. I think Nsydija come workout today though because she don't feel so well, but it's because I want to look nice in my good carnival costume. Like, nothing can stop me for workouts. And guys, like, me need something for white my teeth. Like, if you can suggest something, yeah, maybe know what I can use because I feel very bad about this. I need to go to my nails, like, guys, I need to go to my nails. What is this? At girl like me. No. This just no. Anyways, so I'll talk to you guys in a bit.
Nizam and Alec having a debate on what to cook. Alec wants vegetable. Nizam wants. What you want, Nizam?
Bami.
You can have a bami.
Fry bami.
Vegetable with it. Right, we can eat vegetable with fish.
Do you want bami? You don't want no bami? Oh, you want fry?
If you make me cancer now.
Yeah guys, so this is what I cooked. I don't know if you can see. Escovitch fish, bami. I don't know, a little veg. We just balance out the things. Because you know, I did want healthy food. Yeah. Nsydija don't eat fish, so she not eat where we eat. She eats stew beef. Do you cook healthy food?
Yes.
Let me see it.
Steam fish, steam bami, cooked down bami.
I can't recognize that. I don't know.
It's because it's fillet, that's why.
Oh. Okay. Guys, we really try to eat healthy. This healthy? Ish. You know, we have to take it baby steps. Alright guys, so we're waiting for Nsydija and then we're going to start watch Are You The One. But me really can't wait. I try though. I don't know me like eat already. So guys, let me tell you about this bad day that I've been having. First of all, I'm going to drive in school and I look up people in van. And then I find out today so I lose my Pandora bracelet when I get for my Christmas present. And I just in a mood. I'm not even going to cook tonight, so I buy patty. I'm just going to come in bed. Because I really feel stressed out. Anyways, yeah, so that's my Thursday. My workout today too. I do legs and abs. Not even know if I'm supposed to eat patty. Yeah, so I know I look stressed out. I can't be stressed out. But anyways, guys, can you tell us some meat that is naturally salty? Because OHDIJA says saltfish.
Red Erin.
Shut up, please. I'm doing another homework.
No meat, no naturally salty.
Exactly.
Canned pork.
Blood.
Ninja, stop.
A joke, me know say them put that in something and leave it for a while.
So I guess it.
A joke me make.
You never think about it.
No, a joke me make, man. My next door neighbor, man, she used to work at one restaurant and I see her do it. She like put in a one bucket and left it for days. Or a week.
Until you get maggot.
Now that too. Ew, that's how I eat pork. Nasty.
Me not eat pork either. But me eat pepperoni.
And bacon.
And bacon.
That's
And
not
ham.
pork. And ham.
Me not
But
feel
that's
like
not
that.
pork.
Anyways.
Dainty sexy Lisa.
Sent you a friend request.
Like my picture on Instagram.
Big up yourself, the anti-sexy Lisa.
Cranberry?
Sorry.
Sorry.
No, thank you. No.
Watch it, bitch. You have a very nice nose.
Turn around.
Who, me? Okay.
You can place a turn pink.
Me have one thing for nose and teeth, you know. But why? Anyways, let me not
But
see
you have
it.
a very nice nose.
Thank you.
Tell me some have a nice nose now.
But you have a very nice
Nope.
nose.
My nose is very big.
It's
very
not.
big.
You know what no big pizza?
Me think you're an asshole. If you look on your face and say, your lip big, your nose not big. Your nose really no nose. You really no. Your nose really not big. And when you contour, you look so pretty when you contour.
Thanks.
Your head big, your forehead big.
My forehead is not big.
It's bigger than your nose.
You know my head big though.
Hey guys, so we're on our way to Devon House. Yeah, go get ice cream. You don't like Devon House ice cream, you know?
You know something I like? I don't really like ice cream that much.
You don't really like ice cream that much?
Yeah. I prefer like popsicles and ice cream.
Oh, I don't really like that.
When it is bad, you know, guys, we're here with Dashawn. I smash for real. Wendy.
We're at Sovereign, guys. You know my favorite place. I'm hungry still, you know. So you eat already? Huh? Do masa? May I go over here, so sun at. I don't know. What? Oh, you're going to use Scotty? He didn't want to buy one fucking tripod down. You can say hi to your vlog, please.
Hola. How are you guys?
Lord.
You know, yeah, my name is. Right there.
Jesus! I would tell us so we can't do that something like.
I can work for the.
Just one you want?
Yeah.
Yeah, so.
Get the arts.
Excuse me?
Get the arts.
No, for my face, yeah. So guys, I just done driving lessons. Not that I never reach late and such. I do like 20 minutes. Yeah guys, so we just do some parallel parking and some hello and some reversing. Yeah. We had a good day. We did alright. I mean, we did kind of nervous and then because I look up people in the vehicle yesterday, then change the vehicle, they gotta fix it. Hey guys, so we'll leave out once again. Come in. We'll go Jamaica Carnival by lunch. So at Fiction, them said it's at 6 o'clock, but at 6:30 now. And hopefully them not start it because I can't want to see them. Even though me here say they not look good, I can't want to see them. And when I'm on the day, yes, so I anticipate that. I just change my shoes and just touch up my makeup. But yeah, good night.
Put your flag and wave. Take out. Get something and raise it. Get something and raise it. Get something and raise it. Yes, man. Get something and raise it. Raise it. Free up yourself. Is back. Yes, it is back. Carnival is back. Yes, it is back.
Okay guys, so how you feel about that costume there?
Let me just start off by saying them look like shit. I don't know. Nice so we can say that they're not cute, but I understand them. I try to make it affordable for people, you know, because the starting price is at $95, right? To a $285 and very cheap. So with the costume being so cheap,
it comes with a cheap look.
Yeah, very cheap look.
But you just want to see what they look like still.
Yeah,
you know. Well, at least you guys have options this year, like whole heap of options.
but the thing with Jamaica Carnival is they're taking a different route from Bacchanal and Jamaica, and I think Exodus taking a different route
too
as well. So that kind of
yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go home, we'll cook some food and we'll see you guys